This is 534 Marian Drive. This is pre punch out. Contractors actually here doing punch out as we speak. So all named items are still going to get addressed. That front yard is going to get planted. Did all the landscaping, new fence, new front porch. This house was actually taken down to the studs. New electric throughout, new plumbing throughout, new HVAC, flooring, new drywall, all new light fixtures, new kitchen, new appliances. Range combo. And obviously this is in the raw state. We're actually going to be cleaning. You can hear the contractors right now doing punch out. Self-closing drawers. Bathroom. Bath fan is actually Wi-Fi Bluetooth incorporated. Plus it has a light combo of red light, blue light. Got shelves to go in there yet. First bedroom. All bedrooms have ceiling fans in them. This house was city inspected. All permits have been signed off and certificate of occupancy has been granted. Alrighty. If you do have questions or want more information, give me a call. My name is Roger at area code 614-961-0169. There again, that number is area code 614-961-0169. Thank you.